Hey nature lovers, we're here in the middle of suburbia in Shell Cove and we are doing the Bass Point Loop. This is my first time doing it, so let's go check it out together. As always, pack those bags, fill those water bottles, lace up those boots, let's get going. So we came from this direction here and we're headed that way. So a large portion of this first section is along suburbia, but we'll eventually hit the more naturey part of it. So yeah, just use the first section as a warm-up. That's what I'm doing. So we're now here at the more naturey part of the walk, where it finally starts. As you can see, this walk follows the coast along, and then we loop back around to suburbia and get back to where we started. So let's enjoy this part while we can. Cool black sand beach to start it all off. Let's keep going. There's a cool bird of prey there hunting. So from here we want to turn down that away and then we hug the coast for a bit more. We are headed that way. So I chose to hug the coastline, which is not the right way to go, but makes for a fun challenge scampering over these rocks. Such an interesting terrain to traverse. Kind of rock pools galore along here. If you're someone who likes to look through rock pools and stuff and see what little creatures you can find, you might enjoy this part. So I've reconnected with the proper path, and now we are continuing along. I think this is one of the few shady spots along here if you're going on a more sunny day. Quite overcast today, but I've already slip-slopped that. No wraps because I'm wearing a hat and I don't feel I need sunglasses because of my tiny eyes. Anyways, let's continue. Check out this massive fig tree. So as you can see, we are there and we are heading that way. So doing some more rock traversing as we hug the point. Yes, we are at Bass Point now. Hopefully you can hear me over the sound of the ocean, but if not, you're not missing out on much, let's be honest. What a spot though, right? This does not look like the place to swim today. So from this cove, we're headed on that way. So we have a little reprieve from all that rock scrambling. It's definitely a hot one today. Sky's cleared up and it's getting a bit warm. Bring lots of water, kitties. So from here, we continue that way. So this area is really exposed and super hot. Not exactly the best idea, but I've kind of committed to this point, so can't really turn back now. Still got water and food, so it's fine. Just have to suffer through this heat. Those views definitely help a lot though. What a wild coastline this is. Be careful scampering over these rocks for sure. So I am actually ending this loop walk early today because the conditions are way too hot, and as someone who preaches safety, it would be irresponsible of me to continue in said conditions. So I'm going to turn off at Maloney's Beach, which should take me back to the entrance of Bass Point Reserve, and then I'll just walk along the main road back to the car, which should be the easiest way back. Anyways, I'll wrap up at the car, so wish me luck. Head up this way. So, Future Zach here, wrapping up the Bass Point Loop Walk. Anyways, I was a bit delirious towards the end of that one, so let me wrap it up now. I do not recommend that walk. It's one you should do at your own risk, because there is a lot of sketchy traverses, as well as sections that you have to push bash because it's not very well maintained. I also did not finish the whole thing as you saw in the video, because it got fairly hot, because there is very little sun cover. Anyways, if you're gonna do it at your own risk. I would not recommend it. Maybe if they upgrade it later on, it's worth doing, but until then, definitely save it unless you're really a die-hard and want a bit of adventure. Anyways, as always, take care of yourselves, take care of nature, and it'll take care of you. I'll see you on the next one, beautiful people. Bye.